सोच अभी तक है कि मुझे डॉक्टरी करना है या इंजीनियरिंग बनना है, बट मैं सबको बोल सकता हूँ पूरे आम जनता के सामने, जब जो स्टूडेंट्स है, जो पेरेंट्स है, उनको भी ये मेरा मैसेज है कि आप अपने बच्चे को होटल इंडस्ट्री में होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स के लिए एनकरेज कर सकते हो। और इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे स्कोप है जहां पे उनके सारे इंक्लूडिंग फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट, इंक्लूडिंग वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटी, इंक्लूडिंग द वर्क एनवायरनमेंट, दे विल एंजॉय thoroughly. So it's a message for everybody to please consider hotel management for your kids.
Here we come with another interesting topic of hospitality industry. Basically, the hotel industry is what are the job opportunities in the hospitality industry, hotel industry, and how the current scenario is changing. You know, we have been seeing the hotel industry, everything of course is changing, so do the hotel industry also. And today with us is Mr. Soumitra Kundu. Sir has a rich experience of 20 years in this industry. So we would like to know how has the industry evolved around? What are the job opportunities in this industry? So hi sir.
Hi, namaskar.
Namaskar sir. How are you sir?
I'm good to see
Yes
you.
sir. So we would like to know, you know, our students, our parents, they are coming up with lot of things, like there are, now you see there are a lot of career opportunities in this industry. So they want to know how they can fit into other different kind of roles, what are the different departments in your hotel industry basically. So we are very eager to know that what it is sir. So if you would like to give us some insight over it.
Yeah, I would love to. See, first of all, in a hotel, probably in a 5-star hotel, if you find there are 4 major departments specially who are always in connect with the guest. That one is your food and beverage services.
Okay sir.
Then one is the front desk people, that reception, that front office we talk about.
Yes
Then food productions.
Yes.
And then team housekeeping. We have
Okay,
a team of housekeeping who looks after enter clinic part of and room cleaning as well as public cleaning.
Okay.
But other than that, people can get into your sales and marketing, then catering, sales and event in regards to sales and marketing, then revenue management. Then other than revenue management, there is IT, of course, information technologies. And then after IT, we have a human resource. I mean, people can join as human resource associates. Then other than that, finance, there are a lot of different places like creditor, debitor, then in stores, purchase, receiving, and then of course the main part of back of the house or heart of the house, we do call it engineering.
Okay.
So these are all, if we talk about total department, then job opportunities for single individual after doing hotel management, it's almost more than 15 to 18 different sectors, different subdivisions.
So in so many departments are there. So after what graduation they need to be there in from the science background, or they have to be from the commerce background, and after that graduation they have to do what kind of MBA, what kind of specialization is there in that? We would like to know also that.
See, to be very frank, I mean, it's not necessarily that people have to do a graduation to get into a hotel industry.
Okay sir.
Even there are a lot of courses which come, there are a lot of different courses. I mean, post 10th there are courses, post 12th there are courses, post graduation if they want to enhance their academic certificates and all.
Okay sir.
That's the reason. I mean, people go for further studies. However, to get into a hotel industry, even there are courses after 12th for a craft course, which can be for 6 months or a year time.
Oh, okay.
Then if you talk about diploma, then it could be a 3 years diploma.
Okay sir.
And then further it is degree, 4
Okay.
years degree,
Okay sir.
if they want to enhance their academic profile.
Okay.
And after that, there are certain courses has come out for PhD also in regards to hotel management.
Oh wow, great sir. This
So-
is a news to us.
Yeah, so it is not compulsory. I mean, there is nothing, I mean, to worry about कि ये सारे grade करने के बाद ही hotel industry में job मिलता है. No,
अच्छा.
nothing like that.
Okay sir.
More into once you do your 10th or 12th especially, then if you get into a hotel degree or hotel management diploma or a craft course, you can easily get a job. And furthermore, because the industry, if you talk about more than theoretical, it is practically you have to be very
sound
and
Yes,
skilled.
Yes.
So for the growth, your practical skill is very much important rather than your.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it, sir. Got it. So the another question is, being a female, I really want to know this. What is the percentage of female who can look forward for this kind of jobs in hotel industry?
As a hotelier, of course, what does female employee enhance? I'll talk about. First of all, customer service. They are very caring in nature.
Right, sir.
And then second thing is that inclusiveness. I mean,
Yeah.
people
Yeah.
inclusiveness. And then third is, of course, when there is a female employees are more, then if you find by somehow your revenue aspects also grow.
Grows,
मतलब उसमें
okay.
जब जितना आपने देखोगे कि फीमेल एम्प्लॉयज जितना बात करते लोगों से,
Right.
जितना कन्विंसिंग पावर इन लीडरशिप रोल, स्लो एंड ग्रेजुअली,
Right.
एंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ गेस्ट मैनेजमेंट एज वेल एज योर स्टाफ मैनेजमेंट, वो फीमेल अच्छे से कर सकता है.
So basically, females are caring.
Absolutely
Yes,
caring. I mean,
yes.
in every aspect.
Yes, that
So
is
it is same as it is at your house also. The way your mom cares for everything, everybody.
Right,
The same
right.
hotel industry में भी जितने भी फीमेल काम करती है, वो लोग बहुत केयरिंग इन नेचर होता है, और इन द सेम टाइम दे मैनेज थिंग्स वेरी वेल.
ओके सर. सो मुझे एक और चीज पूछना था. आई डोंट नो ये मिथ है या फैक्ट है, बट कहते हैं कि होटल इंडस्ट्री में काम करना है तो लो पे स्केल होता है या कम शुरुआत होती है, तो वो एक उसके ऊपर आप हमको थोड़ा सा गाइडेंस दे कि ऐसा क्या है, क्यों है या फिर नहीं है.
देखो, ये बात तो एकदम बिल्कुल सही है, मैं एकदम स्वीकार करता हूँ. आई ट्रूली एक्सेप्ट इट कि इनिशियल स्टेज में जब आप होटल मैनेजमेंट करने के बाद पास आउट जैसे आप हो जाओगे, और पास आउट होने के बाद आप जैसे एंट्री लेवल में ये काम करना शुरू करोगे, तो एंट्री लेवल में पे स्केल थोड़ा कम है अदर देन different other industries if you talk about.
Okay, sir.
But if you stick to the industry for technically 3 years, the moment you grow into a 1-2 more positions, then the pay structure grows.
Okay,
So the myth
that
is
good.
myth is correct, but for the people only for the initial 2 to 3 year stages.
Okay.
And the person, if they love, once they love the industry and stick to the industry, and further they grow slow and steadily, as it is universal truth, money comes with position.
Right, of course.
So
Yes, yes.
and today's the myth you are telling about, it is absolutely right, because the expectations of current students are little different,
Yes.
which is not practically correct,
Okay.
to be very honest.
Okay.
I mean, if they stick to the industry, I guarantee they grow and their every aspects will be fulfilled.
Okay.
That's what I can say.
ओके, ग्रेट सर, ग्रेट सर. इसके साथ हमें और कोई लैंग्वेज लर्न करनी चाहिए, जैसे कि अभी हम वी आर थिंकिंग कि हमको बाहर करना है, हमने होटल मैनेजमेंट किया है, काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस है, एंड नाउ हमें कहीं बाहर ट्राई करना चाहिए. सो डू एज यू हैव वर्कड इन दुबई, ओमान, सो डिड यू like ever thought of that we should have like to add to our skills a new language to it, so it will give you more upper position or something like that?
Learning language helps you not only in abroad but as
Okay.
well as your own country in India also. So जब आप लैंग्वेज की बात कर रही हो ना, लैंग्वेज सीखना तो एक बहुत एक स्किल्ड है. जैसे I can speak more than 10 to 11 languages.
Oh wow, great
Okay.
sir.
And that was my passion because I was in this industry.
Oh wow.
If I worked in Bangalore, I learned Kannada. I worked
Okay.
in in Punjab, I learned Punjabi.
Oh, wow, great.
I'm working in Maharashtra. I am a fluent speaker of Maharashtrian.
Oh,
I have worked in Kuwait, Dubai, and
Yeah.
Gulf. I have learned Arabic.
okay.
So the language is an add-on skill.
Okay.
What does the language do? It make people comfortable. The moment suppose बाहर से कोई आया है, एक अरबिक, एक दुबई से, कुवैत से कोई भी गेस्ट हमारे होटल में आते
Right.
हैं, so the moment you start talking to them in their own preferable language, उनके comfortable feeling automatically जगह में आ जाएगा. They feel like they are at the right place
Okay.
and they become more open. अब जब गेस्ट थोड़ा ज्यादा ओपन होता है तो it's easy to understand them.
Right.
नहीं, कुछ
right.
कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स में होता है कि गेस्ट आके एकदम चुपचाप रहते हैं, कुछ बोलते नहीं है, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर लैंग्वेजिंग इश्यूज. दे फील लाइक नोबडी इज देयर टू सपोर्ट, नोबडी इज देयर टू हेल्प, कोई हेल्प करने वाला है नहीं.
Right.
सो द मोमेंट दे गेट समबडी टू टॉक इन देयर ओन लैंग्वेजेस, वो एकदम खोल के बात करना शुरू कर देते हैं।
Yes,
सो
actually.
एंड इन द सेम टाइम कि होटलियर के लिए भी आसान हो जाता है उनको अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए, उनका जो एक्सपेक्टेशन, सर्विस एक्सपेक्टेशन एक होटल में रहता है,
Right.
उनको फुलफिल करने के लिए वो और ईगरली ये होता है और उनको भी अच्छा लगता है।
Right.
सो लैंग्वेज सीखना, इट इज एज आई सेड कि इट इज नॉट ओनली इन डोमेस्टिक, नॉट ओनली इन अब्रॉड बट इन डोमेस्टिक लैंग्वेजेस आल्सो। When I was in Goa, to be very honest, I have done a 3 months course for Russian languages. So in my
Okay.
hotel, if anybody comes from Russia, I only interpret them.
Wow, which is great, sir. Really hats off to your
So
sir.
that's how the language matters.
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
it helps your to connect to the clients.
Yeah.
Of course, and slow and steadily, of course, the revenue generations also would take place. Once you talk more, once understand the clients, if
Right.
clients opens up,
Right,
then
sir.
they started expressing their feelings, their needs and everything.
Right.
So it's very easy.
That
I mean,
is
language
great.
helps
It helps.
very much.
So everyone should think about
It is.
learning different kind of languages, which will
Absolutely.
of course boost your career. So second thing I want to know is, like, lot of youngsters, you know, go for medical degree, like they want to be a doctor or they want to be an engineer or they want to be a lawyer. So what is that motivation that you feel that they should also join this hotel industry? What is that thing they should have in that?
See, if you talk about motivations level, and that, as you said, ki still the myth, I mean, it's not a myth, the factual is people ज्यादा डॉक्टर के बारे में सोचते हैं कि इंजीनियरिंग करे, डॉक्टर ये करे, एमबीबीएस करे और समथिंग लाइक दैट, बट आई विल टेल यू कि इन करंट डेज द इंडस्ट्री, होटल इंडस्ट्री इज बूमिंग लाइक एनीथिंग.
Okay. Okay.
There are a lot of opportunities not only in India but in abroad also. And the pay structures are also better.
Okay.
If you talk about cruise line job, any cruise line you get into it, that your per month salary is more than 2 lakhs rupees.
Oh wow, great sir. This is the news. Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually.
So it is, as I said, कि है वो सोच अभी तक है कि मुझे डॉक्टरी करना है या इंजीनियरिंग बनना है, बट मैं सबको बोल सकता हूँ पूरे आम जनता के सामने, जब जो स्टूडेंट्स है, जो पेरेंट्स है, उनको भी ये मेरा मैसेज है कि आप अपने बच्चे को होटल इंडस्ट्री में होटल मैनेजमेंट कोर्स के लिए एनकरेज कर सकते हो. और इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे स्कोप है जहां पे उनके सारे, इंक्लूडिंग फाइनेंशियल एस्पेक्ट, इंक्लूडिंग वर्क अपॉर्चुनिटी, इंक्लूडिंग द वर्क एनवायरनमेंट, दे विल एंजॉय थॉरोली. सो इट्स अ मैसेज फॉर एवरीबॉडी to please consider hotel management for your kids.
Great sir, great sir. Of course our listeners will do that. So one more thing is, sir, just a personal kind of question. Why you thought that I would join a hotel industry, and you sustained so many, you stayed there for almost 20 years working in so many different hotels like Sheraton say, Chancerin, Bangalore say, or La Meridian say, for that. What motivated you and why you thought that I wanted to join in hotel industry like that?
देखो, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि मैं होटल मैनेजमेंट करूंगा, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. आई विल टेल यू द फैक्ट हाउ आई हैव लैंडेड टू दिस इंडस्ट्री.
Okay, okay.
I mean, after doing my 12th, then math honors,
Okay.
one sudden day I was looking for my brother for a hotel management college.
Oh, अच्छा, okay.
So मैं मेरे छोटे भाई के लिए होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज ढूंढ रहा था, तो ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आई वेंट टू होटल मैनेजमेंट कॉलेज एंड उनमें सब कुछ फाइंड आउट किया मैंने कि
अच्छा.
क्या है क्या नहीं है. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली और फॉर्चुनेटली माय ब्रदर वाज नॉट सो मच इंटरेस्टेड.
Okay.
And the moment I saw everything there in the industry, I mean in the college itself, and by talking to the your principal, director, or some other
Okay.
staff or the students, so it encouraged me.
Okay.
And I directly come back to my house. आने के बाद घर में पापा को बोला मुझे होटल मैनेजमेंट करना है.
Wow.
भाई को नहीं करना है, भाई को अच्छा नहीं लगा, तो that's how I've landed in this industry first of all.
Okay.
And the moment I've started working in this industry, meeting different culture of people, और ये मेरा एक from बचपन से ही मैं थोड़ा सा आउटर हूँ,
Okay.
एक्सट्रोवर्ट हूँ,
Yeah.
तो ये मेरे को सूट कर गया.
Ah.
और जब शूट किया तो मुझे पसंद आ गया कि चलो मैं पहले ट्रेनिंग किया. जब मैं आई हैव डन माय ट्रेनिंग इन आईटीसी औरंगाबाद ड्रामा इंटरनेशनल.
Yeah. Yeah.
ट्रेनिंग में ही जब मेरा परफॉर्मेंस देखा उन्होंने, इन 2 months टाइम आफ्टर डूइंग माय ट्रेनिंग, 2 महीने के अंदर उन्होंने मुझे, मेरा ट्रेनिंग एक्चुअली 6 महीने का था, 2 महीने के अंदर उन्होंने मुझे यूनिफॉर्म, ट्रेनिंग का यूनिफॉर्म चेंज करके एक स्टाफ का यूनिफॉर्म पहनाया,
That's great.
first thing
Yeah.
first, okay. Then in the very same after doing this my training itself, immediately I got a job offer from the same hotel.
अच्छा.
ओके
Okay.
काम इतना अच्छा किया था मैंने क्योंकि
Oh.
मुझे पसंद आ गया था वो जो पैसेंस है, वो जो डिफरेंट कल्चर लोग है,
Yeah.
और एक एक्साइटमेंट वर्क एनवायरनमेंट जो है ना, एक्साइटिंग वर्क एनवायरनमेंट है।
Right, right.
तब मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि मैं आई मीन कि चलो इंडस्ट्री में तो आ गया तो अब आगे इसी इंडस्ट्री में बढ़ना है,
Right.
क्योंकि मुझे अच्छा लग गया था हर चीजें,
Right.
लोगों से बात करना। सो देन आई हैव स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग ऑफ ग्लोबल अपॉर्चुनिटीज।
Okay.
I got an opportunity in Dubai and Kuwait, worked there
Yeah.
for 4 years.
Okay.
That again motivated me further.
Okay.
Then I came back and slow and gradually started growing. So then I started working. See, majorly I have worked in Maharashtra itself. I
Okay.
mean, almost out of my 20 years, I have 14 to 15 years I have given to this state, and especially Pune.
Oh wow.
Pune, I have worked in. I mean, I have opened as a pre-opening team member for your Holiday Inn. That's in Intercontinental Hotel Groups,
Yes.
and I worked there for 4 years. Then La Meridian, of course,
Yeah.
I have worked there. Then Royal Orchid Group of Hotels, I have worked there. So पूना में जैसे मैं ये ग्रो होते गया ना, तो मेरा जो पैशन था इस इंडस्ट्री को जानना और सीखना। और देखो, एक इंडस्ट्री में अगर आप once you started grow ना, financially you are growing, that you're becoming your passion, the work is becoming your passion, you love your work. So slow and steadily कि मुझे लगा कि ये इंडस्ट्री में मेरे लिए बहुत कुछ है,
Right.
and that is the main reason I started focusing learning different languages. I used to talk to, अगर मुझे इतना सा भी पता होता था कि इस लैंग्वेज में इतना सा बात करते, तो कोई भी गेस्ट अगर डिफरेंट कल्चर से आते थे,
Right.
तो मैं उनके साथ एटलीस्ट उतना तो बात करते थे
Correct.
कि आप कैसे हो, आपको कुछ चाहिएगा तो मुझे बताइएगा।
Okay.
So likewise.
Oh wow.
And that's how I mean, that's what motivated me to stick to this industry. And
Okay.
to be very honest, and financially I am well stable now.
Great, sir.
I love my job.
Yeah.
I love my responsibility.
Yeah.
I mean, towards social responsibility.
Yeah.
And that's how then I have started of thinking ki I should give back something to the society.
Which is great, sir.
And then I have started my YouTube blogs. I mean,
wow,
if you
sir.
find, I have my own blog called Hospitality Chat with Soumitra. I mean,
Wow.
where I do talk about each and every department in detail, right from basics till further. So that's how
sir.
it is.
Great, sir. Great, sir. So, students, do follow the blog post of sir. Will be sharing it in the comment section also, so you will get more idea about the career path in the hotel management industry. One more thing I would like to ask is how the internship pattern works in hoteling industry. Like that is another part where people, if they have completed their MBA or any kind of course, and they think of like doing internship before completing it.
Yeah.
So how it works?
See, different hotel has a different policies. I mean,
Okay, sir.
if you talk about internships for not only the hoteliers, the people who are pursuing hotel management, and other than that, see, for the people who are pursuing hotel management, they have to go through different training, IT industrial training for 4 to 6 months, then
Okay.
job training for 2 to 3 months,
Okay.
or a vocational training for another 3 months.
Okay, sir.
Other than that, there are certain courses are there in hotel industry, like MT. If you talk about management tree, like once you pass out, there is a campus training.
Okay.
And if you get selected, then there's a training program for 2 years or
Okay.
18 months. And once you finish that, you can directly be a leader.
Oh wow.
You don't have to go through the basics courses and
Okay.
basics, your job, this thing, description and all. You directly be a leader or a manager or an assistant manager. Hotel industry, the people who are pursuing MBA also,
Mm-hmm.
they also offer, because MBA in sales, MBA in HR, MBA in
So there are
finance,
different.
different MBA, but they are connected with hotel industry.
Okay.
So, like MBA in HR, if after doing MBA in HR, he or she wants to explore hotel industry to becoming a HR person, they come for a training program for 18 months
Okay.
and they fall in love and then stick. I have seen in lot of hotels,
Yeah.
the human resources, especially from MBA background. Then if you talk about sales,
Okay.
MBA in sales, the people who have done their MBA program on sales and marketing, then
Right.
they also approach hotel industry. और होटल इंडस्ट्री आने के बाद जब अदर देन सेलिंग पार्ट तो है ही है, लेकिन जो एक्साइटमेंट है, वर्क एक्साइटमेंट है,
Right.
उसके वजह से जो और वो कुछ सोचते नहीं है. आई हैव सीन लॉट ऑफ सेल्स पीपल हु हैव MBA बैकग्राउंड बट दे स्टिक to the hotel industry, and they have grown and they're doing well.
Which
So
is great, sir.
that's how it works.
Actually, sir.
Yeah.
One more thing I wanted to know is like COVID. After COVID, does the industry started picking up again? Because we all know because of COVID, you know, it impacted hotel industry also a lot. So just wanted to know that like now is it started growing again, or it's come to the same pace?
It is 200% more than earlier.
Okay.
So it boomed, as I said, 200% because demand increases like anything.
Okay.
So उनके जो भी जितने भी होटल यूजर्स है, जितने भी कॉर्पोरेट कंपनीज है, उनके जो पेंडिंग वर्क्स थे,
okay.
वो डेवलप हो गया
Double
ना,
हो गया. Right.
because COVID में they could not do anything. So
right.
the moment they, I mean, the industry started COVID, after COVID,
Yeah.
the work demand and something it increases like anything.
Okay.
हमारे होटल में we talk about a 386 room property, whereas in almost out of 30 days, 20 days we are always packed.
Oh wow, great sir. Great sir.
So that's how it is. COVID, of course, in terms of COVID, if you talk about COVID, जब आपने बात कर ही लिया तो मैं COVID के बारे में बात कर लेता हूँ कि COVID, जब COVID हुआ था तब there were lot of issues in regards to your accommodations. I mean the occupancy level gone down.
Right.
Then your which increases to the revenue loss.
Of course.
Staff. I mean,
Right.
out of 300 staff, we were working with only 40 staffs in our hotel.
Okay.
Then your supply chain disturbed. I mean,
Yeah.
it was
of course.
supply chains. It was easily
Yeah.
disturbed.
Right. Sir.
Then there was challenge on health, paramount for all the staffs.
Right. Sir.
Still, once in during COVID, we have learned a lot of things. To be very honest, I mean, देखो COVID के time में हमने जो मोबाइल इंटीग्रेशन सीखा,
Right. Sir.
टेक्नोलॉजी एडवांसमेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी कितना हमें हेल्प करता है वो सीखा.
Yes.
कोविड के टाइम में हाउ टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर ओन हेल्थ एंड एज वेल एज योर स्टाफ हेल्थ वो सीखा.
Right.
सो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स कोविड हैज गिवन अस आल्सो
Yes.
in back, and we've learned from COVID, and then after doing all this thing in place, keeping all these things in place, we have moved forward,
Which is great, sir. Of course.
and that is what helped us कि कोविड के बाद the industry has boomed like anything, and not only I mean in entire globally if you talk
Yes,
about.
of course, sir.
Yeah.
So इसी से रिलेटेड एक और मेरा क्वेश्चन है सर. कोविड के बाद जैसे AI टेक्नोलॉजीज इंट्रोड्यूस हुए हैं, सो होटल इंडस्ट्री में भी हुए हैं.
बिल्कुल हुए हैं. होटल इंडस्ट्री में there are, I mean, the technology is started but slowly, but
Okay.
in near future AI will take a good place in hotel industry.
होटल इंडस्ट्री.
Yeah, there are certain stages. I mean, the process is very simple. AI has nothing to. AI is more into your process centric. It fixed your process
Yeah.
so that you have a data analyze for those process, and
Right.
you can act on those process. So
which
that's
is
how AI is going to help us.
Great, sir. So students also have the opportunity for AI thing if they want to learn. There will be near courses in near future also. As per sir's chat, we are having a discussion one-on-one. So one more question was that what are kind of personality or grooming thing you see when a person wants to join an hotel industry? Because we see it is all service-based industry. You know, you have to be very polite. You have to be a presentable person if you're facing the client. So what is that you look in that when a person comes for an interview, or do you just at that time, and how the things work in that?
See, I'll tell you, to be in hotel industry and to grow in this industry, first of all, you have to be well groomed. You have to wear a smile in your face in every circumstances. Then number 3 is you have to have a strong command on your language skill. I mean communication skill. You have to be empathetic in nature. You have to be problem solving in nature. You have to be multitasking in nature. I mean it's not compulsory that you are in a role and then you have to आपको सिर्फ वही काम करना है. All of a sudden if there is something comes up, then आपको शायद अपने खुद के स्ट्रीम के काम छोड़ के दूसरा काम भी करना पड़ता है. So in terms of, and then the technological knowledge, you have to have a technological awareness. Because the all admin work happens only in the system, in the computer. So you have to be well skilled in your computer itself. So you should know those basics in regards to your Excel, Words, data analyze, how to do a data analyze, likewise.
Okay.
So these are, and of course the person has to be very honest, and they have to carry their own honesty during their entire career in hotel.
Wow. Great, sir. And does the training keep on happening to upgrade their skills in the hotel industry?
Absolutely, absolutely. I mean, if you talk about training, we have in hotel, generally every department has their own training calendar based on their needs. I mean, if you talk about, because see, how do you get to know that when people need training? जब हम गेस्ट फीडबैक लेते हैं, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट ऑनलाइन फीडबैक, इट ऑलवेज कम्स ऑन ऑनलाइन, ट्रिप एडवाइजर, मेक माई ट्रिप, गो आई विवो, एंड देन अदर ऑनलाइन channel. Other than that, we give a manual your feedback form.
Okay.
So after analyzing those feedback form, if there is something we see कि एक ही जगह में बार बार प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, तो we fix up a training for those particular things, particular SOP. So ये जो ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम है, ये हर डिपार्टमेंट के लिए है और मंथली ट्रेनिंग कैलेंडर बनते हैं और कंपलसरी है वो, बिकॉज दैट्स कम्स इनटू आवर केयर. अगर उन्होंने ट्रेनिंग कैलेंडर फुलफिल नहीं किया एज पर देयर ओन रिकॉर्ड्स, देन वो एक केयर में अपना परफॉर्मेंस स्कोर जो होता है वो डाउन होता है, बिकॉज ट्रेनिंग इज बीन ट्रीटेड ए वेरी आई मीन स्ट्रांगली एंड क्रूशियल वे.
Yeah, got it, sir. So thanks a lot, sir, for coming and giving us this time, and a lot of things we have spoken about, the career opportunities, how the things have changed, and how AI has integrated in the system, and how
Absolutely.
COVID hit us, and how it taught us a lot of things like sustainability, CSR we talk about.
Yes.
So it's been a very fruitful kind of discussion, and we've got a lot of points from you, sir. Thanks a lot for
It's
coming
my
here,
pleasure,
sir.
and thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.